Hi guys, welcome to Poppy Seed Mini. Today we're going to open 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 2. Let's get started.
Stay tuned for our craft at the end of the video. Oh, look, I got almond diamonds. Oh, a shelf. We'll put that together later. Oh, this is one I wanted, the pickles. I'm so glad I got that. Ooh, Loring salt. We're gonna do something with that later. Ooh, we got a package of cheddar cheese. And one of my favorites, the ketchup. Ooh, here's one I wanted. Miracle Whip. I like eating Miracle Whip, so this is something I really wanted. These are really cute, you guys. The French fries. I want to make a grocery store and I want to stock it with all kinds of fun things. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, it's a basket. We'll put that together later. Philadelphia cream cheese. I love that on my bagels. Oh, we got crushed peppers, a season. Ooh, Thousand Island dressing. This is one I really wanted. Here we have mac and cheese. Oh, another cart. We'll put that together later. Wow, we finally got the coffee. This is the one my sister wanted really bad. We got another one of the almonds. Let's see which one this is. I think this is the Italian dressing. This is a great one too. More seasoning, lots of seasoning. Ooh, we got a box of nut thins. That looks actually good. And here is a box of artisan nut thins. We have another cart. We're gonna let that go. Oh, we got another bag of French fries. I love the French fries. Ooh, A1 sauce, yum. We have Bullseye, which is really good. Yum. I like that barbecue sauce. Philadelphia cream cheese. And we got some bagel bites. Yum. Oh, we got another basket. We'll put that away. We have Velveeta pasta. We got another ketchup, which is wonderful. I like the little ketchup bottles. I wish we'd get a mustard. We got another Loring salt. We got stovetop stuffing again. Miracle Whip. More ketchup. And we got here red bean and rice. I've never had that before. Ooh, we got coffee. Yum. I wonder if they have any other types of coffee on the list. We got A1 sauce again. And look at this. It's a little mini bag of taco mix. Nummy. Ooh, here's a little box of cheese. I've never had that before. It looks really, really good. We got Stubbs barbecue sauce. I've never had that before either. Ooh, look at this. We got mini brand bags. This is one of the things I wanted to get. Oh, we got crushed pepper. And let's see, we got more ketchup. And we have more barbecue sauce. I can see that. And we got Crystal Light lemonade. We have here paprika seasoning, another bottle of ketchup. And what is this? What does that say?
Laughing Cow cheese dippers.
Okay, sounds good. More barbecue sauce. And we got some bags again. We got A1 sauce. And we got shake and bake. Stovetop stuffing. Yum. We got the French's onions. Those are good. If you've never had them, those are really good. We got more French fries. Yum. Ooh, look at this. We got our first special. This one's the sparkly one. And they're the nut thins. I've seen other people get these too. We got more French onions. And another spice, and this one's thyme. Ooh, look at that, Carmelos, little caramels. Those are delicious. And we finally got the tomato sauce that I wanted to get. That was a special for me. Okay, we have Crystal Light. And more shake and bake. We got the Blue Diamond, the low sodium. And we got some bagel bites. And we got Old Bay seasoning. We got Blue Diamonds, the regulars. Here is some garlic paste. I've never tried this. I don't think I've even seen it in the stores, so.
Well, Aldi had it.
Did they?
Yeah.
Okay, and here we got the, what is that called again?
The Laughing Cow cheese dippers.
The Laughing Cow cheese dipper. Here's some country thyme. That's really cute. Ooh, more French fries. I'm going, oh, look at this, coffee again, wonderful. I like coffee, I have coffee every day. Ooh, look at this, almond milk.
Chocolate almond milk.
Wow, that's pretty neat. And there's vanilla, pure vanilla. That's a cute little box. Here we have Thousand Island dressing again. And we have Loring salt. Here we have feta cheese. This is one I really wanted. I love feta cheese. Oh, we have more pure vanilla. And what do we have here? More French onions. Ooh, more bags. Yay! I like the bags. They can give me more bags. And we have paprika seasoning. More feta cheese. Wow, now we're getting it. Those are cute little containers. Here we have the Loring salt again. And another red bean and rice. And a cart. Oops. Oh, and here we got Velveeta cheese.
No, Philadelphia cream cheese.
Oh, yeah. Why am I messing
Red
that up?
bean and rice. I
Yep.
don't think you like that one very much.
Oh, here we have the Lunchables. Those are kind of cute, I think. And here we have Thousand Island again.
You're gonna have to eat a lot of salad. Or I mean the dolls will have to eat a lot.
Yeah, we'll have to do salad, something for salads. Here's the wheat thin, nut thins. Here we got macaroni and cheese. And we got the sharp cheese. Can we do a theme? Nope, it's not going to stay cheese. We have the salt again, seasoning. We have the bagel bites. We got quite a few bagel bites, I think. We can have a party. And we got more French onion. Here we have bacon. Wow. I got 2 of the bacon from the last series, series 1, and they were really neat. Here is thyme again. And we got more nut thins. We got lots of nut thins, I think. Should have a party. Here, yep, here we go.
Nut thins and bagel bites.
Yeah. Gonna have to have a party. Oh, and we got
and
the almonds. That'll go good. Well, here we are with all the things that we got out of our 24 balls that we opened up. So I hope you enjoyed this. Now we're gonna get into a craft and show you what we did with some of the bigger products to make them into Barbie doll size. So stay tuned. Well, that was fun. As you can see, some of the mini brands are too big for our Barbie dolls. Since I got 5 of the Loring seasoned salts, I am going to take 1 and make it into Parmesan cheese. First, I went to the refrigerator and got out 2 containers of Parmesan. I carefully removed their labels. I set my printer to 25% and found it was a little too small. I set it to 27%. That worked just right. If you have a different type of printer and different size labels, you're going to have to adjust them to what works for your bottles. To get the jars to look like Parmesan cheese, I first covered the top with painter's tape. Then I added layers of paper to the middle of the jar to make it look more cylinder. Then I put on 3 coats of cream nail polish. Then I took the printable, covered it with clear tape, and put it around the middle. It looks pretty sweet. Next, I took the vanilla box and the Philadelphia cream cheese box, and I carefully opened them up and laid them down on my printer. Then I shrunk them down from 100% to 60% on cardstock. The better your cardstock, the nicer your print. I painted the prints with Mod Podge to seal them. Then I cut them out and I used double-faced tape to put them together. Now they're perfect size for my doll.
We hoped you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting.